Hi, and welcome to this latest immigration law update video. In this video, I'm going to look at another new visa route that's coming in the spring of 2022. I've already looked in previous videos at the Scale Up visa and also the global business mobility route. And in this third video, I'm going to look at the new high potential individual route. So let's have a look at the Home Office new plan for immigration, legal migration and border control strategy statement. That's a mouthful. And if you click on the new and reformed immigration routes, you'll see at paragraph 21 there, it says in spring 2022, we will also introduce a new unsponsored points-based route to attract the brightest and best to the UK, with a particular emphasis placed on the very high-skilled and academically elite. And then they give an example being the Scale Up visa, and have a look at my video on the Scale Up visa. But we also have this new high potential individual route. And I've just clicked on to the autumn budget statement where the Chancellor said this: high-skilled migration boosts innovation, jobs and competitiveness. New scale-up, high-potential individual and global business mobility visas will attract highly skilled people and support inward investment. There's also a reference in that paragraph to the government creating a global talent network. And I referenced that in my video on the Scale Up visa. So have a look at that. Now, in terms of details, they're a bit sketchy at the moment in terms of the high potential individual. The best place to look is actually the UK Innovation Strategy, which is published by the Department for Business, Energy and Industrial Strategy, and it's July 2021 UK Innovation Strategy. I'll put the links again as usual below this video, and page 60 says this: furthermore, as part of our plan for growth, the UK government will introduce a new high potential individual route to make it as simple as possible for internationally mobile individuals who demonstrate high potential to come to the UK. Eligibility will be open to applicants who've graduated from a top global university. Now, we don't know at the moment what universities will be included in a list, and we don't know if there's any sort of subject restrictions, if, for example, they're just restricted to STEM subjects or it's any subject. But at the moment, the proposal is that eligibility will be open to applicants who've graduated from a top global university. However, look what it goes on to say: the UK government will explore the scope to expand eligibility to cover other characteristics of high potential. Well, we all know that, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates and Mark Zuckerberg dropped out of university. So the government are looking at other characteristics of high potential that may open up this scheme. But the initial proposal is those who have graduated from a top global university. There will also be no job offer requirements. You don't need a job offer. So you've got flexibility to work, switch jobs or employers, or make whatever contributions to the UK economy. And look at this, the route will also allow eligible individuals to extend their visa and settle in the UK, subject, of course, to meeting specific requirements. So you can extend, and it's a route to settlement. So in this third video, looking at the new routes, we've looked at the Scale Up route, which you can see there also on page 60 of the innovation strategy. We've looked at the global business mobility route in my second video, which consolidates the ICT route and the representatives of an overseas business. And then finally, in this third video, I've looked at high potential individual route, which has got some scope to it, depending how limited it is in terms of which universities, but obviously no job requirement and a route to settlement. So watch out for details from the Home Office in relation to this new route coming in spring 2022. I hope that's helpful.